Oui, je vais faire Google pour maintenant vous connaissez là, nage pour protéger ou passer.
Pour protéger oui. Qui va internet ça? Google fait pour gérer. What, Jonas?
I just want to tell you I'm going out with James.
Qui James ça?
You know James when you hopped on the car and said James you a good boy?
James, you good boy. Don't listen to Jonas.
On the chase?
What James do for you?
You don't know it, Jonas. Go by sous foi qu'on est là pour sortir des house bend down.
There's no food on the stove.
Mais c'est son bail pour faire. I'm hungry. You not hungry?
Dad, I'm just telling you I'm going out with James.
Shut. No. Go sit down. Go sit down. And find a box for me to put the Googles.
Oui, man. Non, mal voyer Google pour mettre les gens là ça pas problème
I'm too old for this. Too old for this. I mean, look, they sent my bed to Haiti. I can't even sneak out if I wanted to. They covered the window with a buffet. Look at it. Why do I need this?
I put more diamonds in my Cardis. My girl look better than the Barbie.
Non, bah pas mal non. Non, tout mettre dans jeu. Regarde le bal à clé.
You get money, Harley?
Non, pas mettre dans jeu. Il toujours dans boîte là. Tout neuf.
Bet you love to live this lifestyle. Bet you love to live this lifestyle. Bet you love to live this lifestyle. Fuck how you feel, this my life now. A funeral bros think I'm be a party. Now my girl look better than the Barbie. Excuse me, I beg your pardon. I kill a nigga over these Cardis. R.I.P. face, I lost my nigga last week. Fuck so many hoes in my Chevy, I swear that bitch antique. Why I judge a book by its cover? Damn, bitch, you can't read. The police sound like my exes. Damn, bitch, you can't speak. Fuck 'em all, swerving down the lodge like a lodge boy. Ironic, everything I ride for, I'ma die for. I swear life is full of ups and downs like the Dow Jones. You ever gotta pull it out, just don't have your eyes closed. Fuck IBGM, I guess I made a mistake. But they wanna stay afloat.
Cool, man.
Good?
Yeah, bro. You know how to get rid of my parents, man.
Bro, you are too old for this.
My dad keep giving me excuses, blase, bro. I know.
Whatever, man. Let's go.
Let's do it.
This is ridiculous.
Not to be turned.
Yeah, we gonna turn up. You gonna Felicia?
Bye, Felicia.
Bye, Felicia. Yeah. Oh, man.
Come on, what you think about the polo, though?
Who?
The polo. What you think about my polo?
So what you doing tonight? After
funny. You think you funny?
Huh?
You think you funny?
What you mean, dog? Ain't nobody tripping about that.
Nobody tripping about it.
Go.
Oh, shit.
Mousse ça vous venir saluer me dit alors bonsoir ce bêta.
You got problem, you got job.
You got trouble. Ça gagne. Ça gagne là. Ma comprendre. Vous you voulez marquer you can't touch me bitch. You can't touch Beta. Beta's the #1 bitch in Ireland.
You got a full beard, bro.
Calling me.
You have a full beard. Man, this is ridiculous.
Hello?
Jonas, comment est là?
Yeah, no. M'laka là, oui.
Yeah. Your mother, I go pick up your mother. She coming to the church to fight.
Non, parce que yo pas moyen comme ça.
Beta, you can't.
Je salue, yo dit soir ce Beta.
Okay.
Good evening, Mr. Beta.
We coming home.
Good evening, Beta.
Okay, all right. Hey, yeah, you gotta take me home.
Beta.
I'm okay.
Okay, just
because je suis décrit. He loves me.
What?
You gotta take me home, bro. My dad said he's on his way home with my mom. She was fighting the church.
Fighting the church?
I gotta go home. Just turn around.
Look, bro, we right here. Come on, man. You're out already.
James, I can't.
What's the worst that can happen, man? You got a full beard.
I just snuck out of my house.
You're an adult. Jonas, man. Listen, I need... Wait. Jonas! This nigga's parents is gonna drive this crazy.
Paint a nigga look just like a makeup. Pussy nigga top just like a finger. Princess cuss up in the faces like it's Nano. We done smoking lane, nigga. Let the cane dance. Quit the hitting nigga block just like a wave band. Bitch, we all getting money, bitch.
Coming out. Shit. I'm opening the door for you when you got a proper anger management. I don't got time for that shit. I don't got time. That makes sense, but pour mon yon dans l'église, I've been gardé. Ton coup, c'est un bon monde fou. What's Jonas?
Money coming down, that shit drop like it's confetti.
Oui, Jonas, quand t'es là. Oh. What do me?
Yeah.
Be okay.
Bye, Dad. I love you.
With your babo.
Fouetton, comment il est là? Non, et bête à me faire chercher dans l'église là, il fait faire un dégât là. Kon ba. Jonas dans chambre la couché là, il connaît. Il go garçon li. Qui bon ça ouais Jonas?
I put more diamonds in my Cardis? My girl look better than the Barbie?